We're going to show you guys how to make a really simple bow that you can use in any design. And this particular design, we're going to show you how to pop it into a tree. We actually had a customer ask us how to make really simple, cute bows to pop in a tree. And personally, this is one of my favorite ways to use ribbon in a tree. As you can see here, we've created 2 loops on each side while pinching that in the middle using our 2.5-inch emerald glitter ribbon. This is $7.95. And then we're going to top it off with our 2.5-inch Christmas tree ribbon. This is a really great ribbon. They're all wired. So that second ribbon with the Christmas trees on it that we used is $6.95. It's also wired ribbon with 10 yards on it. And then the last one that we're going to use is $9.95. It is also wired and has 10 yards. Don't be afraid to mix patterns and colors. That's what makes creating and designing so fun. So as you can see, we did the same technique. We created 2 loops of each of those ribbons, layered them on top of each other. They're all a 2.5-inch. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to zip tie those together. We like to use zip ties just because we find that it's more secure. Now, once you have that as tight as you want it, go ahead and fluff that bow back up. And when you're securing this to the tree, do not worry. You can always fluff and adjust your bow as you're working with it. Now we're going to go ahead and clean up those ends. We like to do this so that everything looks really clean and neat. So Lori is going to go ahead and cut some V's. You see right there, she goes at an angle. It's a real simple thing to do. You just cut the V's in your ribbon, and this just cleans it up and makes it look really pretty and elegant on your tree. This bow can be used for absolutely anything, not just for trees. You can use it for wreaths, mantles, you can use it for your mailboxes. And here she is, she's securing it to the tree with the branches of the tree. If you have a real tree and you don't have a fake tree, you can use zip ties or pipe cleaners, but there is your finished bow.